Well, here we go. I thought it was time to show a video of my dark little shop. Let's take a tour. "12 by 20. I've made just about everything in here. Let's start over here. This is my drill press. Hand cranked drill press. Various clamps. My sharpening station. Water stones, that sort of thing. Set up for oil and or water. Grinder. My hardware cabinet. Various screws, nails, stuff I can't live without. Molding planes, punches, that sort of thing up top. Some carving tools. My saw bench. My spring pole lathe. Turning tools. Right here in the back I got miscellaneous pieces of lumber. Little things I just can't live without. You know how that is. This is my chemical cabinet where I keep all my stains and whatnot. My saw vise, axe. That's my file box. Up top here, I just keep whatever. A marquetry donkey up here. Some drafting tools, miscellaneous pieces of wood. Down here's where I keep all of my shorts. I got 12-inch pieces, 6-inch pieces, 2-foot-long pieces. Over here on the side, first little bin is 18-inch pieces, and then 36-inch pieces. All the other lumber I keep up top in a loft. All up here. And of course on the sides. All of that's pine and maple over here. And I got hickory and birch. I'm out of mahogany. Ash. I'm out of walnut. I'm out of alder. Ambrosia maple. Soft maple. Some beech. And some miscellaneous pieces of molding and stuff like that I use for the house. I've got cherry over here. Also keep some oak over there as well. My plantation desk. I do some drawing on here on occasion. Everything else in this and there's just junk. Various saws. All my scrap, which needs to be cold, I think. It's getting carried away. My shave horse. I move it around when I need it. My bench. Various little jigs and fixtures hanging off to the side of it. Then here's all my tools. Chisels. Files. Hammers, mallets. My joiner. Saws. various odds and ends, brace and bit, card scrapers, other miscellaneous tools, my honey jar, more tools in here, layout tools, measuring tools, that sort of thing. And in here is where I keep my draw knife, hacksaw, fret saw, that sort of stuff. Some more layout tools on this side. Rulers, yardstick, tape measure, that sort of thing. And that's about it. Oh, no electricity. There's my light. And of course, that big old skylight up there, that helps a lot, as you can well see. Well, anyway, that's my shop. Comment if you will. Thanks.